Get ready to trap again, it's coming out.
Pop your potions, go, go, go. There it is, try it, square, square, square. Oh, no, that's the wrong one, that's the fragments. It is on square though, it is on square. Pop all cooldown, pop all healing cooldowns, blow up the, get the bloods.
Rallying crying me. Popping shield wall for everybody.
Kill the bloods, kill. Pop your dream, pop everything. Okay, keep going, keep going. Finish death one. Just finish death one.
Get ready to pick up the ads with me.
They're dropping. Just finish Deathwing. Pop everything. Pop everything you have.
Chunks is only tanking.
Pop everything. Pop everything.
Not dead.
You got it. Pop everything.
Yeah, we got it.
Good job, guys.
Good job.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Hit it.
What the fuck?
Ticket that.
Ticket that shit. That's fucked up.
What the fuck is that?
It stopped at 1. It would not go past 1.
It's not even supposed to get to 1, is it?
Fucking hate this fucking game.
Wow.
Every time there's a fucking glitch. I'm ticketing this fucking shit right the fuck now.
Yeah, everybody open up the ticket.
Every single person so they get it straight away.